Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to enable the Night Light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with the settings. Here we have to find the display option. Let's tap on it. And now let's scroll to find the color. As you can see right here, we've got the Night Light, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And of course we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then for sure this mode is totally for you. So you can leave it like this, or you can customize it just by tapping on this option actually. And here we've got the switcher for the intensity. So by going to the left, we can make it much cooler. It's almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer. In real life, it's almost orangish. What's more, we can schedule it, so we can keep this option none. Which simply means that we will have to manually turn it on or off. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can pick the start and the end time, or turn it on from sunset to sunrise. So your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and it is, I believe, and location based. So that's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will keep the none option. So this is the customization, and now let me show you much faster access to this option. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to swipe actually to find the Night Light here. So currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.